Okay, so we're plugging in a USB port here, and up here we're going to put in our default passcode 19999, and we press connect. Password OK. So we're actually ready to start putting in data. So we can put in apartment, say 1001. We can put in family name, and this will allow us to store 14 characters. If you mouse over here, it will give you a little hint. So it says here family name 14 characters max. I'm going to put in a phone number, for example, a second phone number and a third if I want. If I choose to put in a keypad code, I can do so. This must be a 6-digit code. Okay, and the reason for that is that we decided that if we allowed up to this unit will take 500 families, and if we allowed 500 families to have a 4-digit code, there's a very, very strong likelihood that there will be reproductions of that there will be duplicates, that more than one family will select the same code. That then causes a problem then where if you had a situation with the gate you needed to investigate, where if someone left it open or whatever, you wanted to check who entered when, and two people were using the same code, you wouldn't actually know who used their code because it's been duplicated. 6-digit code, it's much less likely there's a duplicate there. So it's a 6-digit PIN code. Here then you can put in your card number. Now the prox cards look like this. So each card has a serial number here, 10-digit. So this number here that's just exposed, ending in 421, starting in 0007. You simply put that number in here. So I'm going to go right ahead and do that. 7095421. Now an important thing to do, I'm going to upload this data here just to see if this works. Important thing to do is click off a square. It's like Excel. When you're on a square, it's not really entered data until you move off it. Okay. Just for fun, I'm going to put in here a site name. So let's see. There we go, Florida View. Now, this is important when we save a file. Hit that save button. It now wants to save a file name called Florida View Family somewhere on my PC. I'm going to go right ahead and save that on the desktop. So that's saved. So if I put in lots of information here, if something went down with the hardware, a lightning strike, or someone smashed the unit up, you want to keep a backup for most of your data if possible. So let's upload this to the unit. And there we go, we can see the status bar. So the unit thinks it's uploading, up to 500 names, up to 1500 phone numbers, 500 keypad codes, and 1500 proximity cards. Obviously these fields are blank at the moment, but the unit's going through those cell by cell, number row by row, column by column. And we're almost done. And there we go. So in theory, if we press an arrow button here, we should see a name in there. So we've got Jones in there. Now if you look at this one, you can see there's other names in there already. So those were pre-entered from a previous programming string. So I'm going to download those or show you how you can merge data as well.